Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Tech with Dawood Ahmed.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn that how we can convert our pictures in any format online. So let's start. I have gave the link in description. You have to open this website. Only search here online image this website. I have gave this website link in description. Now you have to select any format, document converter, image converter. I select PNG. Now you have to drop or choose files. I am choosing these files. Open. Now you can see all pictures are uploaded. Start conversion. When you click start conversion, it will give you options: download one by one or download files as zip. All files. I am downloading all files. Start download. It's a free website, so you watch. Please, if you like the video, subscribe it. Thank you.